Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on Android. Now, you're first just going to turn your Android phone off. To do that, you can press and hold the power button, or you can just swipe down and swipe down again. And there is that little power button. So I'm going to tap on that and then just tap to power off. Now, entering in recovery mode works a bit different depending on which Android phone you have. I have a Samsung Galaxy, but I'll also walk you through the steps if you have a Google Pixel or something else. Now, once your phone is completely turned off, what we're going to do is press the power button and the volume up at the same time. So keep in mind, on a Samsung phone, it's the power button and volume up. On other phones, like the Google Pixel, it's the power button and the volume down. For whatever reason, they made it different on different phones. So I'm going to press and hold the power and volume up button at the same time, and you'll be able to see it starts to boot up the phone. However, it doesn't boot up the phone normally, it boots it up into recovery mode. You can see it says Android recovery at the top. Keep in mind, if this doesn't work for you, some of the newest Android phones also require you to plug the phone physically in with a USB cable into a computer. Now, after we've done that, you can see it says reboot system now. I can press the volume down to select something else, wipe data / factory reset, or I can choose power off if I just wanted to turn it back off. So keep in mind, you might see different options on here. I just see these three options. In my case, I'm going to reboot the system now, and I'm going to select it just by tapping the power button again. And just like that, it will reboot it in the normal case. You can always, of course, just factory reset it if you wanted to. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.